Today is July 14th, 2025. The world is changing at an unprecedented pace. We're living through a significant wealth shift, reshaping industries and redefining how we live and work. Forget the dot-com boom or crypto, this is the AI gold rush. It's making people rich at every level, from entrepreneurs to everyday individuals discovering new opportunities. This isn't about sci-fi robots. It's about practical AI, tangible tools that are already changing how we work, create, and earn a living. Just like in the 1800s, there's a rush to stake your claim in this new frontier. The prospectors are everyday people, leveraging AI to improve their productivity and unlock new income streams. Innovators are building new tools and platforms. Accessibility is the key. Just a laptop, a reliable internet connection, and the willingness to learn are enough to get started. Anyone can use AI to automate mundane tasks, freeing up time, generate innovative ideas that were previously out of reach, or even launch a brand new business. This is creating a new wave of entrepreneurs, leveraging AI to build hyper-efficient businesses. The question is how you'll proactively use AI to your advantage. AI capabilities are now readily available to everyone, often for free. These tools are letting people generate compelling marketing materials and create stunning visuals in a matter of seconds. The future is here, unfolding in real time, and those who are willing to learn and adapt are the ones who are building real wealth. Let's talk about how the AI gold rush is fundamentally changing the average person's wallet and their financial prospects. We're not just talking about minor adjustments here, we're talking about a seismic shift in how people earn, save, and invest. In nearly every white-collar job, AI is rapidly becoming not just an advantage but a basic, indispensable tool. It's integrated into workflows, assisting with tasks, and reshaping job descriptions. It's as essential as a computer or smartphone, something you simply can't function effectively without in today's professional landscape. Those who embrace AI and learn to wield it effectively can accomplish tasks in minutes what used to take hours, even days of painstaking effort. The time savings are immense. This increased efficiency and productivity makes them more valuable to their employers, opening doors to raises, bonuses, and promotions into roles with greater responsibility and higher compensation. The competitive edge isn't about working harder in the traditional sense, but about working smarter, more strategically, and more efficiently. It's about using AI to amplify your existing skills, making you a more powerful and effective professional. Those who resist adopting AI and cling to outdated methods are quickly left behind, struggling to keep up with the pace of change. They're outpaced by colleagues who proactively leverage AI to enhance their performance and contributions. For freelancers and independent contractors, AI means the ability to handle a significantly larger volume of projects simultaneously, potentially doubling or even tripling income potential, without sacrificing the quality of their work or increasing their working hours. AI isn't about replacing human skill and ingenuity, it's about augmenting it, enhancing our capabilities, and making us more effective. It's freeing people from mundane, repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on higher-level creative, strategic work that requires uniquely human skills. The workforce is increasingly splitting into two distinct groups: those who view AI as a threat to their job security and future prospects, and those who recognize it as an unprecedented opportunity to enhance their skills, increase their earning potential, and advance their careers. And the latter, those who embrace AI with open arms, are the ones who are thriving in this new era of work. AI has turned solo entrepreneurship into a superpower, letting one person run a business with the reach of a team. By stacking AI tools, a single entrepreneur can automate marketing, sales, customer service, and finances. Take a fitness coach. AI can find clients, automate outreach, track progress, and answer questions 24/7. This frees the coach to focus on high-value, personal guidance. AI lets one person repurpose content, maximize marketing, and compete with big companies. The model works for designers, consultants, e-commerce owners. Anyone can delegate repetitive tasks to AI. The result? More clients, better service, and higher income, all with minimal overhead. Success now depends on smart systems, not staff size. AI isn't just making jobs more efficient, it's creating new business models and passive income streams. No-code platforms let anyone build apps by describing what they want, opening software creation to non-coders. A solo creator can launch a tool in days, not months, and sell it as a subscription or one-time product. AI-first startups are building services where AI is the core, attracting billions in investment. Micro SaaS businesses are now within reach. Find a niche, build an AI solution, and scale effortlessly. Automated tools can serve thousands with little extra work. The AI gold rush is about becoming a builder, not just a user. The biggest profits go to companies selling the shovels of the AI gold rush, the infrastructure. Giants like Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic build the foundational models powering most AI apps. But the real winners are deeper. ASML, with a monopoly on extreme ultraviolet lithography, makes the machines that create advanced chips. Without ASML, modern AI chips wouldn't exist. Their main client, TSMC, manufactures chips for Apple, Nvidia, and more, making billions in profit. If TSMC stopped, the global tech industry would grind to a halt. These companies profit from every AI advancement, no matter who wins the app race. The numbers behind the AI gold rush are staggering. Nvidia, once a gaming chip company, now powers the AI revolution with its H100 chips. Every major tech company is buying tens of thousands of Nvidia chips, sending its value past $3 trillion. Elon Musk's Grok 3 model alone uses over 200,000 Nvidia chips. ASML's $200 million machines require a supply chain of 5,000 companies to build. TSMC made over $35 billion in profit in 2024 by manufacturing these chips. Even small players profit. Anguilla made millions selling its .ai domain to startups. Venture capital is flooding into AI-first startups, fueling a cycle of rapid growth. The money pouring into AI signals a fundamental shift, not a passing trend. Financial markets are reflecting this new reality with valuations once thought impossible. So, how do you get a piece of the AI gold rush? The opportunities are vast and the entry points are wide open. Unlike previous technological revolutions, you don't need a computer science degree to participate. Start by using AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude to streamline tasks and understand their strengths. Unleash your creativity with Mid-Journey and learn to write effective prompts, an essential skill in the age of AI. Automate small tasks to boost productivity and build valuable skills crucial for the evolving job market. Move from user to builder. No-code platforms let you create simple yet effective AI-powered tools, even without programming skills. Identify a niche problem and build a solution using AI to automate or improve existing processes. Launch a micro SaaS for passive income to monetize your AI skills. For investors, consider the shovel sellers, companies like Nvidia, TSMC, and ASML who profit from the entire AI ecosystem. Always do your own research and understand where the long-term value lies. Most importantly, invest in yourself, your knowledge and skills. Read, watch tutorials, take courses, and stay curious. The time to start is now. The future is here and it's powered by AI.